The Canadian government vowed to continue providing aid to the survivors of Super Typhoon Yolanda that lashed across central Philippines and killed thousands of people last November 8. Tennessee Kabigting reports from Canada.
Since Typhoon Haiyan slammed into the Philippines, Canada has responded quickly and efficiently to address escalating humanitarian needs. The Honorable Christian Paradis, Minister of International Development and Minister for la Francophonie, announced 20 million Canadian dollars has been allocated to aid those in need. On November 9, an initial 5 million Canadian dollars in support to humanitarian organizations striving to meet the needs of the people affected by this typhoon in the Philippines and other affected countries. These funds will be used to provide emergency relief activities and will include the provision of emergency shelter, food, water, livelihood support, and other essential services. On November 18, 2013, Prime Minister Stephen Harper announced Canada will commit an additional 15 million Canadian dollars toward emergency relief activities that should bring further comfort to the victims of this catastrophe. A medical team from Canada arrived in the Philippines province of Iloilo on last November 14, one of the areas in central Philippines hit hard by Super Typhoon Haiyan. The 43-member team specializes in disaster relief and water purification, and they plan to set up purification stations in the following days. The overall impact of Typhoon Haiyan is still emerging as responders continue to reach affected areas. Although assessment teams are providing an overview of humanitarian needs in accessible areas, logistical constraints have slowed a full-scale humanitarian aid. Canada is doing its part to help those affected areas at the request of the Philippine government. Reporting from Canada, this is Tennessee Kabigting for Eagle News.